hi, my name is Monica, and I'm part of the team at Teachers Lead Tech. It's our great honor to be part of CSK5. I've been working in tech education for the last 8 years, starting actually very intentionally with kids ages 7 to 12, knowing that both their habits, worldviews, understanding of their abilities and their paths are forming very, very early. And today we want to present who we are, what we believe and what we do, and also just invite for an open opportunity, because both in April and in May we'll be running open micro professional development sessions that are hands-on preparatory for teaching in classroom. We've been working with folks in Maryland and Arkansas, and happy to start a new chapter in a new state. So we usually work with state CS department and invite their teachers to start with us and see where they land. So a little bit about us. We're actually want to be the support and bubble for teachers and schools starting to teach computer science. And we do it with a lot of passion, a lot of expertise in the field, and at the same time understanding that it's not a one thing that solves the problem or helps teachers feel seen and supported. Both from our experience and from the research that we've done, we base our work on 3 main pillars, which is providing the curriculum with creativity-led instructional approach, then ensuring year-round micro-professional development sessions. So it's next to actual work in the classroom going throughout the year. And the third part is step-by-step learning guides for students to keep teachers breathing when they're actually working in a classroom with 24 25 kids building their own unique projects. A bit broader, so the learning guide, or learning buddy as we call it, is just a guide for kids to follow step-by-step instructions, not to mess up with their links, to see where they're heading. It really helps when you have kids with different learning needs, different learning speeds, or different learning styles, and kids follow their own journey just step by step until they finish the project and create what they were thinking of for the day. They don't need even a login, just a code for the classroom to join their learning buddy. And of course, with latest advancements in AI, learning buddy can be really helpful to foster more collaboration and focus more on self-directed learning of junior graders. Extensive curriculum for computer science, what we mean is that computer science is not only coding, it's a plethora of subjects in one, or so we combine what's latest in computer science with what kids love, what technological concepts they need to learn, and at the same time we have our own instructional method, which is understand, practice, create, inspired mostly by the work of MIT Media Lab and Lego. And the third part is a year-round micro-professional development sessions for teachers. We do strongly believe that the actual professional development for teachers happens when they enter the classroom with kids. All we do is create space for preparation. And we do that usually throughout the school year, meeting every second week, every third week, depending on the pace, in virtual sessions. So it's not about training 1 week and then being ready for the year. It's getting step by step to your work in the classroom and being supported throughout the school year, not only by the tools you use in the classroom, but actually by the teachers community who are on the same journey. Not only did teachers say that collaboration, imagination, creativity inclusivity, motivation to learn, engagement, joy in the classrooms are rising. But the amazing stories come from, kids' improvements in maths and logical thinking growing, as well as teachers feeling stronger to lead the 21st century classroom as professionals. What all they needed to do is add new skills, and their pedagogical skills and experiences just flourished in the classroom. So the creative works can be merged with many subjects, and the creative projects that we suggest are very often integrated with traditional classroom subjects. And you can, start building first geometric shapes in virtual reality, learn a plant cycle in Scratch, and even do basic artificial intelligence training in your grades 3 or 4, because kids definitely get how AI works on the basic level. And our motto is create before you consume. So that's what we want to bring to the kids. So the way we work is we have a yearly license for teachers or schools, depending on the size of the classroom or kids involved. It's $10 per student yearly. It involves both access to the learning buddy, continuous micro PD and support for teachers, as well as a year-round CS curriculum now covering grades 1 to 5 in topics such as Scratch 1, virtual reality, AI, data, digital ABC, and more are upcoming, as well as open special lessons to try out. So here we are. Use us as a tool, as a team in many ways. You can meet us in our open PDs. Now we have dates for April. May dates are opening up soon as well. It's very easy for teachers who are only about to start. Maybe they're set to teach CS next year to try it out. It's also easy to try AI in a classroom setting just to soften it, because there's so much noise around it, but it actually can be a very powerful tool to create with, not only use what is already created. And join me, Ruta, and also Julie, who is now computer science professor at New York University, in those open sessions. And feel free to ask any questions, drop some ideas, your experiences, because that's where we're here as well, to meet you and learn.